Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie. Welcome to Club Foodie. With all the craziness of Christmas, with family and friends over, all the gifts to buy and wrap, big dinners to make, and now that it's over, you can finally relax. But, of course there's a but. You are left with lots of leftover turkey meat. After eating a couple of dinners, everyone will be getting tired of eating it. You need to change things up a little. In today's episode, I'll show you how to make my turkey à la king on toast. It's a simple meal and yet so flavorful. All the ingredients are cooked in a beautiful bechamel sauce and served over toast. It might sound pedestrian, but I'm telling you, you'll be surprised how good it is. So my friends, let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add butter. When it starts to sizzle, we'll add green onions and red peppers. We'll saute our ingredients until soft, about 2 minutes. To this, we'll add bechamel sauce. I'm not showing you here how to make the sauce, but if you want to see it, watch the video by clicking on the top right corner of your screen. We'll give a good stir and bring it to a simmer. Next, we'll add turkey and frozen peas. We'll stir once again until the ingredients are well blended and let it cook for 10 minutes to eat it through. While it's simmering, we'll toast the bread and then we'll place a couple slices of hard-boiled eggs on each toast or buns. We'll generously spoon the bechamel mixture over, top with more sliced boiled eggs, and served immediately. And my friends, this is our turkey à la king on toast. Extremely easy and fast to make, this is another delicious way to use up your leftover turkey. Don't think that this recipe doesn't have a lot of flavor, because it does. Once you try this dish, you and your family will have another great meal using turkey to add to your recipe list. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!